A goal is a dream with a deadline. The man who does more than he is paid for will soon be paid for more than he does. Some people dream of success, while others wake up and work hard at it. Most great people have achieved their greatest success just one step beyond their greatest failure. Success comes to those who become success conscious. Any idea, plan, or purpose may be placed in the mind through repetition of thought. When your desires are strong enough, you will appear to possess superhuman powers to achieve. Great achievement is usually born of great sacrifice, and never the result of selfishness. Opportunity often comes disguised in the form of misfortune or temporary defeat. Every adversity, every failure, every heartbreak, carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. It is literally true that you can succeed best and quickest by helping others succeed. Success is good at any age, but the sooner you find it, the longer you will enjoy it. It takes half your life before you discover life is a do-it-yourself project. Victory is always possible for the person who refuses to stop fighting. A positive mind finds a way it can be done, a negative mind looks for all the ways it can't be done. The way of success is the way of continuous pursuit of knowledge. You give before you get. Strength and growth come only through continuous effort and struggle. The ladder of success is never crowded at the top. The more you give, the more comes back to you. Patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. Plan your work and work your plan. You can think your way into or out of almost any circumstance, good or bad. If you cannot do great things, do small things in a great way. No one is ready for a thing until he believes he can acquire it. Keep your mind fixed on what you want in life, not on what you don't want. Everyone faces defeat. Life reflects your own thoughts back to you. If you do not see great riches in your imagination, you will never see them in your bank balance. Action is the real measure of intelligence. You become what you think about. To be a star, you must shine your own light, follow your own path, and don't worry about darkness. Whatever your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve.